Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to look into the third strategy that is nothing but retrenchment strategy. Retrenchment strategy is a corporate level strategy which is a defensive strategy followed by a firm when its performance is disappointing or when its survival is at stake for a variety of reasons. For example, economic recession, production inefficiencies, and innovative breakthrough by competitors are some of the causes for retrenchment strategy. So basically, retrenchment strategy is one wherein you are trying your last resort in order to be in the market or in the industry. So basically, there are three different retrenchment strategy: turnaround strategy, divestment strategy, liquidation strategy. What do you mean by divestment strategy or divestiture or spin-off? It involved the sale of those units or parts of business that no longer contribute to or benefit the firm's distinctive competence. So, giving away or selling off your business units which are not profitable is what you mean by divestment strategy. It is nothing but sell off business units which are not profitable and concentrate on those business units or the product line which is giving you that edge in competition and which is able to produce more profit. Second one is turnaround strategy. A turnaround strategy is one where you will be eliminating unprofitable outputs, you will be cutting down the assets, reducing the size of the workforce, rethinking firms' product lines and customer groups. So that is turnaround strategy. It is designed to reverse a negative trend and bring the organization back to the normal health and profitability. Okay, basically, it is for to transform the organization into a linear and more efficient firm. Here, you are reducing your workforce or whatever is internally which can be changed. That one you are doing, and you are coming up with a more competent business organization. The last strategy is liquidation strategy, which is known as the last resort strategy. When neither a turnaround or nor a divestment seems feasible, liquidation is used. Liquidation is nothing but you are selling off all your assets and clearing off all your liabilities and closing your operations. That is called the liquidation strategy. So basically, in retrenchment strategy, there are three different strategies which are involved. First one is called turnaround strategy. Second one, divestment strategy. And the third one, liquidation strategy. Liquidation strategy is generally followed when the future of your unit is bleak in terms of sales or profitability. You are not able to manage your company. You have got a lot of losses accumulated. Another firm is willing to buy the unit, then it is not possible for you to revive the unit with the existing resources. In such case, you will be going for the liquidation strategy. So these are the three retrenchment strategy. So till now we have learned the three different corporate strategy. First one is expansion strategy or growth strategy. Second one is stability strategy, and the third one is retrenchment strategy. Now let us look upon the last strategy, which is nothing but combination strategy or expansion through combination strategy. Expansion through combination strategy is the last corporate strategy where not a single strategy is adopted. You are adopting a mixture of expansion, stability, or retrenchment strategy. It is a hybrid variety. In such situation, it is called as combination strategy. It is designed to mix growth, retrenchment, and stability strategy and apply them across a corporation's business unit. So that's about the combination strategy. For instance, Tata Iron and Steel Company, that is TISCO, had first consolidated its position in the core steel business. Okay, then it divested some of its non-core businesses, so by which they were able to get more profitability. So this is one type of combination strategy. Now, the next one is reasons for choosing a particular strategy. Why a particular strategy is being chosen? There are two reasons for it. One is economic reason, the other one is, of course, non economic reason. So, what are the economic reasons for choosing a particular type of strategy? First one, in order to exploit operational economies and financial economies of scope. Second one, like many of the uncertainties can be avoided and you can have more efficiency. Then you will always have management skill. If you are having good strategies in place, you will be making your management skilled professionals much more helpful, and they will be able to give a corporate advantage. Then overcoming the inefficiency in factor markets, and the last one being long term profit potential of business. So these are the reasons or economic reasons for choosing a type of strategy. Non economic reasons are the dominant view of top management, employee incentive to diversify, desire for more power and management control, ethical consideration, and CSR, which is nothing but corporate social responsibility. So these are the different corporate level strategy. So we have dealt four different corporate level strategy which will be taken by the top management of the company. First one was expansion strategy, second one was stability strategy, third one was retrenchment strategy, and the fourth one which is a combination strategy. So these are the different strategies which are taken in corporate level. Now the next one, business level strategy. Business level strategy is a firm's working plan for achieving its vision, prioritize, pri- prioritizing objectives, competing successfully, and optimizing financial performance with its business models. Okay, usually the business level strategies are used or as a consistent set of choices relating to differentiate and price their product or service, when and how much to segment their market to maximize demand, and where and how to invest your capital to develop competency that will create the most value of competitive cost structure. So, in business level strategy, there are three main types of strategies. One is called cost leadership, the other one is called differentiation, and the last one is called focus strategies. So, business level strategy, according to Michael Porter, in order to have competitive advantage, there are four different methods by which you will be able to come up and which will be effective. First one is cost leadership, second one is differentiation, and another one is focused view, wherein it can be a focus to your cost leadership or focus to differentiation. So let's tell the definition once again. Business strategy is a firm's working plan for achieving its vision, objectives, competing successfully, and optimizing financial performance with its business model. So now, why we have to concentrate, or what are the means by which the cost leadership strategy can be adopted? A firm can achieve a cost leadership position only when it is able to provide goods or services at lower unit cost than its rivals. So, how it can be done? First one, economies of scale. It benefits when you are doing large productions. If the volumes are increased, naturally the unit cost associated with the production will reduce. Second one is learning curve effects. The benefit of learning curve arises from experience of the company and in the activities like plan layout, product design, mastering new technology, and so on. So it is like learning curve effects can be better explained through a proverb: practice makes a man perfect. And the third one, cost of key resource inputs. The prime resource input for manufacturing product is raw material, and the second one is labor. If you're able to reduce your raw material cost as well as your labor cost, you will be basically able to reduce your input price or resource inputs, which will come about 40% of your cost associated with the production. And the fourth one is link the cost with other activities in the company. You can able to reduce the cost with cooperation between and among activities. For example, activities of the supplier may be liked with the company or linked with the company's inventory cost and reduce delivery time and inventory ordering and carrying cost. Next one is sharing resources with other business units. Resources like order passing, customer billing, warehouse, technical support may be shared, thereby reduce per unit cost of used resources. The next one by which you can reduce the cost is outsourcing. The non-core business areas or the specialized skills which you are not, the company is not focusing, you can always outsource that to a third party. Then there is first mover advantage. Generally, a firm that moves first would be able to sell huge quantity of goods and build brand name. The next one is higher capacity utilization. By utilizing your company's capacity to full capacity or effective efficient capacity, you will be able to reduce your fixed cost per unit. And the last one is ascertainment of managerial decisions. A firm's cost can be reduced by keeping some strategic decision like minimizing customer service, restructuring, and the like. So these are the base by which you can always have cost leadership or cost advantage. Second one or second strategy is differentiation strategy. According to Philip Kotler, differentiation is the act of designing a set of meaningful differences to distinguish the company's offerings, that is, products or services, from competitors' offering. So, it as a strategy wherein the firm seeks to create a product or service that is perceived industry wide as a unique and value by customers. So there are different types of differentiation which is possible. Product differentiation, wherein you are making changes in your product, basically in features, performance, efficiency, durability, reliability, warranty, etc. Then second one is service differentiation, wherein you are improving upon the ordering is delivery, installation, customer training, customer consulting, and other miscellaneous services. Third one is channel differentiation, wherein you are changing your coverage, expertise, and performance. Then similarly, we have three more: relationship differentiation, reputation or image differentiation, and price differentiation. Okay, so through the differentiating these six characteristics like product, service, channel, relationship, reputation, price, you will be able to make your product or service unique in the market and give value to your product. The last one is focus strategy. The focus strategy is where an organization can offer uh, neither cost leadership is fully possible or differentiation strategy is possible. That case focus strategy can be used wherein a combination of both the differentiation and cost leadership is being taken, and based on the amount of focus which is put in cost advantage or differentiation, there will be two different focus strategies. So it is basically known as niche strategy. A firm that adapts this strategy selects a segment and tailors its strategies to serve them. A segment may be defined by geographic uniqueness or by special product attributes. So, this is all about business level strategy. There are three different strategies in business level. First one is differentiation strategy, cost advantage strategy, and focus strategy. Hope you understood. Okay. So next strategy we will be dealing in the next session. Thank you so much for your patient hearing. Hope you understood whatever was discussed in this session. Thank you.